Welcome back. Today I'll talk about Phalcon inheritance. In this topic, I'll cover how to create Phalcon Volt engine. Go to the front end and click Bolt and open inheritance function. With template inheritance, you can create best template that can be extended by other templates along with you to resource code. Okay, let's try it. Now let's try it in our code editor. Open our code editor. My code editor name is Visual Studio Code. I change my controller base. Stop my set template after option. I also change settings, font size. Okay. I change my font size. I take this insert on comments option. Now reload our browser. Yes, I reload my browser. I create a folder insert on my view directory. This name is templates. Okay, and create a bold file. This name. Oh, sorry. I take this name is front dot bolt. Front dot bolt. Back to Phalcon Volt inheritance, and I will extend insert on this bolt engine. Delete all of the things and write extend templates dot font template dot font. Okay, now check. Hello world. Now I create this structure insert on these templates. And write this. Page block CSS. I passed insert on CSS typescript and type JavaScript. Okay, pass insert on JavaScript file and save, and type something inside on there. Type header. Block header. And block footer. Okay, I comment this script. And active this script. Now how to active this script? First check which script is now active. Recently this script is active. Now I comment this script, check yes. I comment each of the script. Now check how to active this script. I want this script on active. Check how to active this script. For open Volt syntax, where is controller action, view option is active, and write block JavaScript. This block is this JavaScript block, and type this script, copy and paste inside on there. Yes. Now reload our browser. Now this script is active. Check this script. This script now is active. If you want to manually add this link, and now I take this sample, CSS block CSS S. I use this template block. Now check it. It is our block templates CSS link. Okay, it's a mistake. What is this? Now check it. Now I add header block. And open. As this header block is perfectly work, this header block I extend on there. In next topics, I will create multiple inheritance. Keep watching.